guys, and welcome back to Buttercup Slimes!
I'm Louise.
I'm Eloise.
And today we're going to be making
Edible slime!
So what you need is starters, and we each have two because these are minis. And then you need a bowl, and you're going to need a microwave or a stovetop. And if you're using a microwave, make sure you use a glass bowl. And you need a mixing utensil.
And you can either, to make it harder from being like sticky, you can use cornstarch or you can use icing sugar, which is what we have.
And then we're using these sprinkles just for extras and to make it look cool.
Okay, so let's get in. And we are so excited because we have never made edible slime. We've made like butter slime, regular slime. So yeah. Oh. Ooh, I want to try one.
Whoa.
So for these ones, we got fruit punch, watermelon, cherry, and strawberry, and we got them unwrapped. Or we got all of these flavors because they make a pink. Or if you get all of them, they make a brown. So that's why we got all pink.
They're good. Okay, so you take your bowl and your mixing tool to the microwave, and you do it for 30 seconds.
Whenever you're ready.
So now we've melted our Starburst, and it's like liquid almost, and we're going to take our powdered sugar and
It's hot.
yeah, it's very hot, so be careful. We did 30 seconds for about like 5 times.
Yeah, so that's basically like 30 times 5. But
So
we're not going to do the math because it's the weekend. No math on the weekend.
So we add a little bit of powdered sugar, and it will start to mix up and start to become slime.
I love powdered sugar.
I know, right?
Making such a mess. We should have done this outside.
This takes a long time.
It's just so like neat.
Oops. Okay. So keep on stirring. Stir, stir, stir until it becomes slime. So I'm pretty sure mine's slime. I'd be very cautious because it's really hot to touch like that. It's really hot. So I would wait a couple of minutes to let it cool down.
Or you can put it in the fridge.
Yeah. So just mix it up. And if your slime looks like this is what it's supposed to look like. So don't be nervous or anything. Oh! Yeah, my fork broke.
So if it's really sticky, then use a strong fork because plastic ones can break.
Yeah.
And if you don't have Starburst for any reason, I don't know why you would have Starburst, but anyway, you can also use gummy bears.
Okay. We're okay. So, I'm going to try it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's add some.
Stir, stir, stir.
This is so good. Okay, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
And smash that subscribe button. Bye.
Bye.